You do not need to copy down the word problem. You just need to follow the steps to solve. So, number 1, Kevin completed the bicycle race in 2 hours and 24 minutes. Lori completed the race in 2 hours, 13 minutes. And Helen completed the race in 2 hours, 54 minutes. How much faster than Kevin's time was Lori's time? So, you've read the problem. Do you need to reread it? Do you understand everything it said? Do we know which facts are important? Well, let's see. It says how much faster than Kevin's time was Lori's time. So it sounds like Kevin's and Lori's times are important. What extra facts do they have? Well, I don't care about Helen. Anyway, she was the slowest. So I don't even need that information. We are only comparing Kevin and Lori. Do I need to draw a picture for this? Should I solve a similar problem? Do I know which operation I should use in order to solve this and come up with a solution? Well, I'm comparing the two, and it says how much faster. That sounds like one is going to be faster than another, and it wants to know what's that difference. Difference being the answer to subtraction. So I am going to subtract. I have Kevin's time and Lori's time. Kevin's time is 2 hours, 24 minutes. Lori's is 2 hours, 13 minutes. So I'm going to subtract them. I should put the bigger number on top, which is Kevin's because he was slower, and Lori's on bottom. And now I am subtracting them. And if I have 24 minutes to subtract 13 minutes, I am done with 11 minutes. And 2 hours minus 2 hours equals 0 hours. So how much faster than Kevin's time was Lori's time? It was 11 minutes. So I've carried out the operations carefully. Now I need to check and see if my answer makes sense. Is it reasonable that someone would bike 11 minutes faster? Sure, seems reasonable. I have the correct units of measure, minutes. So all we want to finish off with is a complete sentence. And that is that Lori's time was 11 minutes faster than Kevin's. So, number 4. The 8th grade classes are holding a craft fair on Saturday. Maurice plans to help out at the stamp collecting booth from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and at the model airplane booth from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. How many hours does he plan to spend helping? So, you have read the problem carefully. Make sure you understand what it says. Do you need to read it again? Have you figured out which facts are important? Second, you must come up with which things are important and which things are not. What extra information are they giving us in here that we really don't need? Can you maybe cross it out or circle it or say what they are? Well, yeah, we don't care that it's a craft fair. We don't really care that it's on Saturday. We don't even really care that he's in 8th grade or what his name is. We don't care that he's spending time at the stamp collecting booth and the model airplane booth. All we really care about are the time frames that he is working. So they gave us a lot of information, which makes the story more interesting, but unnecessary. So I need to figure out how many hours he plans to spend helping all together. So it looks like he is working at one booth from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and another booth from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So let's see what amount of time that is. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. That's 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So that's just 2 hours. And then 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Count it out, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, or you could just subtract. That's another 3 hours. So how many hours does he plan to spend helping? 2 plus 3 is 5. Make it a complete sentence. Maurice plans to help for 5 hours. Do we have the correct units of measure? Hours. Is it reasonable? Yes. Sounds good.